Pussycat by Edward Lear. Down the Pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up at the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, oh pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are, you are, you are.
What a beautiful
pussy you are.
They
sailed away for a year and a day to the land the balm tree grows. And there in a wood, a piggy wood stood with a ring at the end of his nose. Nose his nose with a ring at the end of his nose. No.
Dear Pig.
Dear Pig, are you willing to sell for one showing your ring?
The pig say,
I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with the rest of both spilled. Hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced in the light of the moon. The moon, they danced in the light of the moon.